Okay, so here we go to our first demonstration of the week one module, which can provide a model for your entire course. All right, so we're back in Canvas. We already worked on the course orientation module. So now we're going to scroll down the page and view the week one module. First thing you're going to notice is the module title. It has start date and end date. And of course, you're going to want to adjust that. To do so, you click these three vertical dots to the far right-hand side, followed by the Edit button. And then for the module dates, we'll just say February 7th through February 14th. And then click Update Module, and there you go. Immediately after that, I like to scroll all the way down to the bottom, where I put a reminder. The content is above is due by Sunday, week and date. I am also going to put that February 14th date down here at the bottom. So again, click these three vertical dots, click Edit, and then instead of week and date, I will put in February 14th. Click Update, and there you go. Those are your first two steps. So now we can get into the content pages, beginning with week one objectives and goals. Click on that page to go to it. And as we've said already, anything highlighted in yellow, you will want to be sure to update with your own content and your own voice. So a couple things here. This is where you can introduce the main topics in the module. This first week, maybe it's more introductions, orientations, and that's fine. As you progress through the semester, you're going to want to get into specific activities and learning objectives. For that, I even provided a link to the course outline of record, which if you click on that, you can search for the class that you are teaching. In this case, linguistic anthropology, my class, and you can view the description, the SLOs, and the objectives, right? And this is important. So when I am on this first page, I'll click the Edit button, and I will type in my own introduction here. I might even, write up a quick story of my experience with this topic. And then I will put in some activities. What are we going to do? For example, we're going to introduce what is anthropology. So a few items here. And then for the goals and activities aligned with following objectives, I look at the content, and usually I will be able to identify one or two of these objectives, and I just copy and paste them right here. I make sure that they are numbered as well, so that my students are really clear that we are learning something that is in the course outline of record. Everything else should be good to go. This contact me link goes to that Meet Your Professor page we worked on last time. So once you have fixed up all these highlighted areas, you click on Save and Publish. Check your work, and then click Next to proceed. Clicking Next will take you to the first content page. I'll make this a little bit larger. And as always, the yellow highlighted text needs to be updated. So I will click the Edit button. And then I can work within this text box here. Again, a few suggestions for you as you are presenting content in Canvas. This is where the bulk of your content will be. They can be based on lectures you might give in a physical classroom. I urge you to use text, audio, video, images, and graphics. You can even put in a slideshow presentation if you like to use PowerPoint, if that's your go-to. As you do so, make sure that you are using subheadings like the ones below. And so I selected heading 3 here, selecting heading 3 here, so that there's a nice accessible structure throughout the page. And I also recommend providing instructions for your learners. So if you want them to take notes or you know, give them guiding questions as they move through the reading, that can be especially helpful. These take time to build, right? These take time to build, and that is okay. This is just the first one. If I had filled it up with my content, I would click Save and Publish. And again, I always like to preview, make sure it looks okay. If I go back to the modules, scroll down to week 1, you'll notice that that's just one of 4 content pages. And just they are all identical. They all have this same exact structure to them. So as you look at your course, you might need all 4 of these, or you might not need all of them, depending on how you present content. But they are here if you need them. If you need more, you can just click on the 3 vertical dots and duplicate it to make a 5th one or a 6th one if you need to. Or if you decide that you don't need all of them, again, click the 3 vertical dots and you can just remove that page. So again, this is how to start working with the content within these modules. The final piece is the module complete page at the second to bottom. Again, very simple. Congratulations, you did it. You can edit this or you can leave it as is. Whatever you do, make sure you click on that publish button and you should be good to go.